Hi my gardening angels, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, I am Jess and I'm really excited because today I'm going to be showing you guys kind of my succulent garden update, kind of what's happening in my grow shelf right now because I think there's a lot going on and I haven't shown you guys in a while. So I'm going to flip the camera around and give you a quick tour. Alright, so if you are new to my channel, you will know, or you won't know, that I have this grow shelf. If you've been following me for a while, this is what I still have. I have my bottom grow light shut off because I do not have any succulents down there. I have this main shelf, which is kind of my full-grown succulents, ones that are kind of in individual pots for the most part, and then up here is kind of my recovery slash larger plant slash propagation station shelf. This is my dog kennel. Please ignore. I have garden supplies on top and some leaves propagating in a corner. But just forget about those for now. I'm going to start on the bottom. So this is kind of the first shelf, or tray I guess, that we got going on here. I really need to water these, so none of these look great, but I'm going to be making a how I water my succulent video, so stay tuned for that. This is the little jewel that I chopped up, or the Pachyphytum compactum that I chopped up in one of the videos. I'll include a link to it below. It's kind of hard to see from this angle, and it's really thirsty, as you can see from all these wrinkles. But, and I guess it's kind of stretched out too. But this is a new baby that grew from there. There's a little baby. There was one growing down there, but it looks like it might have dried up. It's pretty much just really stretched out for the most part, but this is a new little babe. I have a lot of succulents on this shelf that I cut the top off of and are propagating, and they're growing more babies from that. This one is so pretty. I don't know what the name of it is, but I am so excited for those ones to get a little bit bigger. This is my Allegra. I cut the top off of it too. I'll show you that in a second. But it has about 3 little babies growing from it, I think. They're pretty small still, but they're looking good. That's kind of about it. Oh, this one too. My tippy, this is my pot of tippies. You can see that it's kind of starting to grow little babies there. Looks like it has 3 actually. 1, 2, and 3. Little babies growing from there. I definitely need to water this one as well. I call these my pink edges. I don't know. That's kind of what somebody said to call them. Really not a lot going on there. And I wouldn't say there's really a ton growing on in this tray either. That's kind of new by any means. So then if we go up, this is the top shelf. So I'll start with the propagation tray because it's probably the one I'm most excited about. It is doing fantastic. So these are all the leaves that I pulled off in that Pachyphytum compactum video, or that were knocked off when I originally had bought the plant. So you can see it's got some good roots, starting to grow some babies. These ones I definitely noticed take a little bit longer. But I got a baby there, a baby there, baby there. So I kind of just got a row of them here growing that. Then let's see. If I get a little closer, you can kind of just see lots of pink edges, or pink, yeah, pink edges is what I call them. This one's nice and big. These ones I all removed the leaf from. They definitely need to be watered soon. This one is an agavoides, I don't know how to say it. More pink edges, super bum, Lilixina. Look at these Lilixina babies. Isn't that exciting? Some more super bums. I'll include a link down to those below. Got some jade growing. That's what this row is jade. This is a super bum that has lost its leaf. This is also one, not looking as great. Some more of those, whatever, I'll post the name. And then my Lolas are really not doing much, but they never really do anything for me. These are the Haworthia Babelets that I all cut off from that one that I think has rot. Still not dead, so it should be okay. But I put them all up in this little cup. They look much better. And this is one that I've had. So large plant, kind of all of these are just kind of doing their own thing. This tray is kind of more of a recovery tray. So this is one of the cuttings. These were seeds. They still might have something in them. So I've been keeping them, definitely not doing great though. These are that Pachyphytum compactum group. These were 2 cuttings that I took from a succulent that had a bunch growing. This is the Allegra. So it's actually doing pretty decent from the cutting. It's all rooted in. I can't pull it out really, so I'm just gonna leave that one there. And then this is my new fun experiment because I grew seeds. They all died because I moved and exposed them to way cold of temperatures. So now I have a whole bunch of other seeds. I labeled them and kind of divided up the dirt so I could just use this one container. But look, I'm very excited. So, just as a quick overview, these are going to be Echeveria Lowys. Then here we have Echeveria colorata Tapala. I don't know. I'll post the name, guys. I'm not good with these. These are Romeo wax agaves. And these are that hedgehog cactus. It's kind of hard to see, but they have little spikes and it's so cute. They're actually doing really well. I'm really excited for those ones. Then we have a crassula of some sort. I think this is really the true crassula. This one I think is something else that just fell in there. This one is kind of the same species as that Echeveria agavoides thing. I don't know. This one's Echeveria canti, maybe. And then these ones are the Echeveria Mexican, or Echeveria San Diego something. I don't know. Are these back corner ones. But I am very excited for these seeds. So you can kind of see the sections there. So grow babies. So I think that was probably one of the fastest update videos ever, but I just have so many babies growing in my garden right now, and I just wanted to show you guys kind of an update on them because I'm so excited for the seeds. All of the cuttings look great. As you'll see, or as you saw, all of them are really wrinkly, and that is totally fine. I'm going to be watering them within the next few days, whenever I have time and can remember, and they'll bounce back. They are not upset with me. So if your succulent looks super wrinkly like that, it's totally fine. The babies, I'm pretty lazy about and could water more. I mean, I've lost a few, but I propagate enough that it kind of makes up for it, I guess. Like a few casualties are fine. But yes, I am very stoked. Everything's looking really well. I think it's kind of crazy how it kind of bounced back from the negative 14-degree weather. But yeah, I will continue to update you guys on this, but I think everything looks really good. So thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please subscribe and give us a like. And I will keep making more updates for these. Ask any questions you have below, and I will include any videos mentioned in the description box. All right, bye guys.